Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Beenish Khan. So in today's video, I'm going to review Beautify by Amna 24K Gold and Rosy Strobe Cream Illuminator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this strobe cream, and also I'm going to share with you guys different ways to use this product. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, Beautify by Amna strobe cream is an illuminator which contains really fine reflective particles. This comes in only one shade in champagne. So its inner packaging is tube kind of bottle. Also it comes with a pump. It can be used in several different ways. It gives just the most beautiful sheen to the skin without giving shimmering look. So let's talk about how to use this strobe cream. Okay, so guys, you can use this as a moisturizer or you can mix it with your moisturizer. But I like to use this directly. This will add really nice boost of radiance, but it also moisturizes your skin. Second way to use this, to add a little bit of strobe cream to your foundation. For that, I'm mixing strobe cream with matte foundation to see how it looks. I'm going to apply with my fingers first, then I'm going to blend it with beauty blender. You can use brush, but I like to use beauty blender. So you can see it adds radiance to my skin and it looks glowy. Foundation is not looking matte, it's look glowy and illuminating. Now I'm going to finish rest of my face and I will be back. Okay, so guys, next way to use this strobe cream is you can mix it with cream or liquid blush. I'm going to create my own glowy cream blush. I'm going to mix it with the blush on the back of my hand and then just apply on my cheeks. You can use brush to blend it out. I'm using beauty blender to blend. Also, you can use your finger to blend it out. This gives you a very natural flush of color to the cheeks along with the really nice glow on your face. Also, you can use this directly on the high points of your face. You can use your fingers, you can use beauty blender or brush. I like to use my fingers to apply this on my cheekbones and the other high points of my face. And that is all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. I really like this strobe cream. It's not chunky, it's not glittery at all. Good thing about this strobe cream, you can use this with foundation, you can use it directly. I am very impressed with this strobe cream because this strobe cream give me glow that I need without looking cakey or without looking shimmery. So yeah, I really like this strobe cream from Beautify by Amna. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. Also, don't forget to watch makeup.